Here's the first of many videos on this car. It's a 1967 Mustang convertible. Started off as a 6-cylinder. As you can see from the engine bay behind me, it's no longer a 6-cylinder. It's a no-cylinder at this point. So here's the video on how we pulled the motor out. Enjoy.
You're going to do a YouTube video? How to restore a Mustang?
As a matter of fact, yeah, I am going to make a video. Now my friend's going to come over and watch us.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, where do you want to go with it?
Let's, for now, let's just put it up against the wall there. I think we got enough height, don't we?
Oh yeah.
I think
Okay.
now watch this side.
So we have to come forward to come off of the transmission
Yeah,
still.
let's raise it up a little bit. Just pull it forward on it. You got the exhaust pipe loose?
It's loose, yeah. There was a sleeve right there, so you just have to pull it out of the sleeve somehow. You think we can do it?
I don't know. Raise it up a little and we'll see.
Oh, so there's see the joint right there past the chain?
Oh,
That's
okay.
Somebody had a U-clamp on that, so I pulled that off.
Yeah, whether that's going to come apart or not, I
I
don't
think
know.
if we wiggle it, it might
Okay.
pop out. Okay, that's fine.
We just need to separate it, but I think the pipe is what's doing all the holding.
Let's do it the proper way.
Just need a hacksaw.
Power tools.
Need power tools. Alright,
Come back up again.
yeah, come up a little bit. I don't know how this thing hanging.
We're gonna find out fast.
I think the front end is going to be way high, but
I think so.
I should be able to one up. Now.
Yep, we're all loose in the back.
Okay,
You're
we're loose
completely good.
everywhere. Just head on up.
We do have to clear the plate in the back.
Yeah, I'm gonna have
I
to
think
clear
your
these
pan's
studs
clear at
for it,
this
too.
point.
Now, we get it out here.
Yep.
We can
And
just
then,
swing it sideways and come
Yep,
down.
yep.
So, yeah, I think
You ready?
That's pretty close.
Yep, you're good.
going forward.
Yep, we're clear.
Okay, come on down a little bit.
You're even clear of the door, I think, at
Is
least
it?
the back of the door.
We're okay.
One
You're
come
gonna
down.
be up. You need it up that high to get in the truck, I think. But
So the question, yeah, how do we want to get into the truck?
okay, let's just turn this around. I can back up here. You can just turn this thing around. That's the door.
You'll need to come down a couple inches to clear the front of the door. We need about 6 or so inches down in order to get
We
through the
might be able
door.
to just
And then,
Back under it.
back right under it.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh, from here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try it. You're still good. Are you clear? Yeah. About 2 feet. Right there. Just bring the lift down now. The lift down.
Set her down right there. See what happens.
Okay, we're gonna roll this thing with you. So you
Okay.
just inch forward. This is why you take video of these things. Nobody would believe you anyways. You may need to lower down the lift as we come out here. Go ahead and lower the lift.
We're already, I don't think we need to, we're already out.
Okay, hold it right there.
Hopefully we get the hoist in here. I'm not sure.
All right, let's do this next.
Can or not.
I'll tell you what, I'll hold this if you want to undo the strap. Up there you go.
That's so neat.
Oh yeah.
Somebody suggested that.
Yep, good. It's solid now.
Somebody suggested that. Who was that?
I don't know. I think it was coming down.
You guys get that?
No, it's heavy.
You're in.
Eventually this Mustang's going to get a V8, but in the meantime there's a lot of rust repair to get to. Be sure to subscribe and to click on notifications so that you'll know when the new videos come out. They will not be frequent or regular, but they will be coming.